So guys, for the first step, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. You're going to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. And now once you're on this, make sure that you have obtain an IP address automatically selected. And now under it, you want to select use the following DNS server address. You want to make the first line 8888 and you want to make the second line 8844 and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in Xbox. Now you're going to click on app settings. And now once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now you're going to click on reset and then click on reset again. Wait for this to load. And then once you've reset the Xbox application, we're now going to close out of this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.